Hello dear students, welcome back to the session. So we are discussing the third application of dimensional analysis, in which we are deriving the correct relation related to the physical quantity. In the last session I have taken some examples which are related to the third application of dimensions. In the today's session also I am going to continue the third application of dimensions, means we will derive the correct relation related to few more physical quantities here. Take the next example. In the last class we have completed two examples. Now I will go for third example here. Third one, centripetal force. Centripetal force acting on a particle in circular motion. Centripetal force acting on a particle in circular motion depends on first one, mass, second, velocity, third, radius. So that is depends on mass of a particle, second it depends on velocity of a particle, third it depends on radius of a circular path along which the body is moving. Radius. Derive correct relation related to these physical quantities. Means we have to derive the expression for centripetal force here. Centripetal force. Okay. They clearly given centripetal force is F. Centripetal force is F. It depends on three parameters. F depends on three parameters. First parameter, it depends on mass. Second parameter, it depends on velocity. Third parameter, it depends on what? Radius. Mass ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, velocity ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, radius ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But unfortunately we didn't know how centripetal force depends on these three parameters. ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, I will take m power x, v power y, r power z. Okay, centripetal force depends on m to the power x, v to the power y and r to the power z. What is the next step? Recall the discussion from the last class. When the proportionality sign is replaced by equal to sign, as I said you, RHS should be multiplied by some constant k into m power x, v power y, r power z. I will call this as equation number 1. Next step, we have to determine the values of what? X, y and z by substituting dimensional formula for all the physical quantities in LHS as well as RHS. LHS ಮತ್ತು RHS ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, F, what is the dimensional formula for F? m power 1, n power 1, t power minus 2. Okay, which is equals to some constant. K is dimensionless, leave it. M power x, that is mass, to the power x. V power y, velocity. What is the dimensional formula for velocity? m0 l1 t power minus 1 to the power y, r power z. R is nothing but a radius. Radius is nothing but length. Length to the power z. Okay. Next is m power 1, l power 1, e power minus 2, which is equals to here m power x. Here it is m power 0, l power 1 into y, that is y, t power minus 1 into y, minus y, into l power z here. Next step, m1, l1, t power minus 2 as it is. Here m power x, m power 0, bases are same, add the power, m power x it is. Here l power y, l power z, therefore it should be l power y plus z into t power minus y. Okay. Now compare the powers of MLT in both sides of the equation. Comparing the powers of what? Mass, length and time. Compare the powers. Here m power 1, here m power x. Therefore, x should be equals to 1. Correct along? Here l power y plus z. Here l power is 1. Therefore, y plus z is equals to what? 1. Here t power minus y. Here t power minus 2. T power minus y, t power minus 2. Therefore, minus y should be equals to minus 2. Minus and minus gets cancelled. This implies y equals to what? We got the value of x as 1. We got the value of y as 2. You can find z value here. You z value now find out by substituting the value of y. What is the value of y here? Substitute. Y value is 2 plus z equals to 1. Or z equals to, you transfer to that side, 1 minus 2, or z is equals to minus 1. What is the value of z here? The value of z equals to minus 1. So x value is 1, y value is 2, z value is minus 1, and these values I am going to substitute in equation number 1. What is the next step? Substitute in equation 1. If you substitute here, what I can write? F is equals to some constant k into m power x. What is the value of x? 1. V power y. What is the value of v? V power y. What is the value of y? Y equals to 2. Okay. R power z. R power. What is the value of z here? Here, minus 1. Okay. Next step. F equals to k as it is. M power 1, that is m. V power 2, that is v square. R power minus 1 can be written as divided by r power plus 1. R power minus 1 can be written as divided by r power plus 1. Last step. Put k equals to 1. As I said, constants values are directly substituted here. K equals to 1. Then this implies F is equals to what? mv square divided by r, which is the formula for which force? Centripetal force. The centripetal force formula can be determined with help of what? Dimensional analysis. Okay, I will give one example as homework. You can try. Write on the example. Pressure P. Write on the example. Pressure P of a liquid depends on. Pressure P of a liquid depends on density rho, acceleration due to gravity g, and height h. Pressure of a given liquid depends on density rho, acceleration due to gravity g, and height h. Derive correct relation related to these physical quantities. Will you try? What they have given? Input is the pressure P of a liquid depends on density rho, acceleration due to gravity g, and height h. P depends on rho g h. How it depends? Rho power x, g power y, h power z. Derive the correct relation related to the physical quantity. But here k value is taken as. You try this what? Formula. So when I come to the next class, we'll discuss the answer for the same. Okay? Next class we'll continue.